2025 wasn't ordinary. In 2025, homes came alive with joy. Families welcomed new possibilities, redefining what comfort truly means. With over 1,000 plus installations, NEBOB lifted lives across cities and communities. 2025 marked a defining moment.
Happy to introduce NEBOB Series 5.
The NEBOB Series 5, a leap forward in design and innovation, featuring multiple ceiling options, crafted to complement the design of every home. Featuring an automatic door opening system, effortless, smart, and built for modern living. Across screens and worldwide voices, YouTube stories, web reviews, people share their experiences.
The colours were perfect, the customer service has been fantastic, the product's fantastic, and the warranty's great.
In his own comfort zone. I love it. It's part of the home.
Well, I made the right decision in going with Nibav.
I would definitely recommend NEBOB.
From a single home to every corner where comfort matters. In 2025, NEBOB delivered to 10 plus countries, raising the bar for home living worldwide. Real homes, real stories, real transformations. It changed daily life. It feels independent again, simply effortless. 2025 wasn't ordinary, it was a milestone year, a journey of achievement and impact. Now, 2026 unfolds, and we rise higher than ever. NEBOB Home Lifts, now luxury at every home.